commercials and music videos that I made back in the day, it's always the same process. The creative is always in direct conflict with the budget. And honestly, as a producer, when I feel like it's not in conflict, I'm concerned, because your creative vision should be so ambitious that it makes it a challenge for me to figure out how to make it work within the confines of the budget, right? That is a sign of, not always a sign of great storytelling, because sometimes people just they money is superfluous and it's not, right? But my tangible tactic there is to look at the script almost like writing a log line for each scene, and then look at that and say, okay, and without budget in mind at all. Well, I've done this tactic a couple of times where we just sort of summarize the scene in one sentence, right? Every scene in the movie. And then look at that and say, okay, if I read all of these sentences in order, is it telling the story? Which sentences can I take out and it still tell the story?